Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will review American Express business credit cards. We'll explore what makes these cards a popular choice for many entrepreneurs. You'll learn about their unique features, potential advantages, and some key considerations. This information will help you decide if an Amex business card aligns with your company's financial needs and goals. Let's dive into the details and see if one is right for you. American Express business cards often come with excellent rewards programs. Many cards allow you to earn membership rewards points, which can be redeemed for travel, gift cards, or statement credits. You might also get access to airport lounges, travel insurance, and other business-specific services. These benefits can significantly enhance your business operations and travel experiences, offering more than just a payment method. While Amex business cards offer many perks, there are some potential drawbacks to consider. Many premium cards carry annual fees, which can be substantial, sometimes over $695. Also, not all businesses accept American Express, which might be inconvenient for some transactions. It's crucial to weigh these factors against the benefits to ensure the card fits your spending habits and merchant network. When applying for an American Express business card, a strong credit history is essential. Ensure your personal and business credit scores are in good standing. Be prepared to provide accurate financial details about your business, including revenue and expenses. This helps Amex assess your eligibility and determine your credit limit. Remember to check the description for a link to fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. These tools can help streamline your business and personal life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.